So, it's so happy to be here on stage where so many companies are talking about disrupting, upending, or somehow changing the world of finance we live in today. But quite often, we think about the technology. We think about what's the next cool thing, what do we use from the in terms of vocabulary, or like the one that's been today's distributed by JP Nichols. And we all understand that to really scale, really provide a meaningful financial service to, say, the next 2 billion customers, it's really all about the simple story, it's simple technology, and we at PaySend are trying to do something of that kind for remittances using cards that you already have. With 9 billion cards issued today, it's really a worthwhile feat to try and turn this into a true remittance token. So that's what we've achieved. And if I'll now see the screen of the mobile app, if the guys will kindly provide the opportunity to do so. So this is the app of PaySend, allows you to send money globally to a card. So I've already set up. All I need is to type in the passcode. I already have my card on file. So all I need to do is just, do send money and say that I'm willing to do so, and we're going to remit money to China, to a China Union Pay card of my good friend Charlie. And I'm going to send her, the payment scheme, the UPs provide us the opportunity to send US dollars, so that's what I'm going to do. Quickly calculate the fee structure and the limit, proceed, type in the card number, and it's quite easy, and very easy in terms of you providing the card number versus providing details of a bank account, because it also checks on the certain algorithm how the number of the card was generated. And so through that, I make less mistakes. So it also asks me for the beneficiary's full name for KYC purposes. That's what I do. I get a confirm details. That's exactly how much I'm willing to pay and send. I confirm, select the card on file, input the CVV value, and we also support additional verification layer. So if the bank has issued the card, we're willing to set up an additional layer of protecting the card. So he's going to push me an SMS message, and I'm going to get it, and press confirm, and I send money. And additionally, I can send a personal message to a person saying that thanks for the meetup. And it's included in the free SMS message we'll be able to send to a person on the receiving end. But for now, I'm going to skip. Just say that, yes, I want to save this template for the future. And it automatically populates my main feed. So it's quite easy and straightforward for you to return to the payments you already did in the past. And apart from just checking the history on whether the status of your payment that you've made was successful as money, we try to send money instantly, so it's instantly being credited to the card on the receiving end. So that's our intended goal. And I can edit or delete this information, or if I no longer send the money to this person. So that's how simple it is. And it's quite simple for me to repeat a payment I did in the past. So all the data is already pre-populated, so all I need to do is just, again, verify that I have the card on file, and we'll do the payment once again. Talking about, sending money, and how easy and straightforward it is to a card, where people already will know how to use a card to make a payment online, people are also starting to communicate and will share money via social media and social messages. So we've done something for that as well. So I can generate quite instantly a specific money link, say sending money to, say, my good friend Aidan, who was not willing to share his personal card information online because, that's how it can be skimmed or otherwise used in appropriate measures. And so I confirm, specify that, I'm willing to pay for it. Yeah, again, checked. And, my link is created, so I can now share this. So, for you to see about how easy it is for me to receive a payment, just the payment I created, there's the link that's been sent over to me. So I can receive money on the end, while accessing the smart link, and just specifying that I want to receive money, and or providing the card details, etc., etc. On the other hand, what we also provide the user with is the opportunity to, is the opportunity for me personally, while having a card on file, to receive money. So I already registered with PaySend, I have a card on file, I have a special link, a vanity URL of sorts, that enables me to specify the message I'm willing to spread out to the world. Say, it's given 1,500 people and so many bankers, so definitely there'll be several people willing to appreciate what we did today. And last but not least, there's one more thing that we've created, we'll show you on this stage, is that people are no longer using apps. They're using, say, their habits, they adhere to the certain regimen they fall for when they, say, have a chat with their friends. And let's say I want to congratulate our engineering team for doing such a good work. And me, while having a chat with them on Skype, just pop up a 3D keyboard that's associated with the app that's become pre-installed, and I specify they're willing to send money over to them, and I do just that, and I click, and it generates a special link for them, and that's how it goes. So in terms of the user proposition, so we've done this in Russia and CIS region, with billions of dollars already remitted using cards. So we're working alongside a great team, we worked with Visa, and we basically contributed to them, we're creating this mandate for fast funds. We are launching in Europe in late Q1 or early Q2. We're willing to talk to banks, that we're willing to increase their revenues as they already issued the cards, that we're willing to increase the toner of the cards being used by customers. So we'll be happy to share our vision about how we make international transfers easy and straightforward using cards. Thank you so much. Have a good day.